Hi, today we're releasing Arc 0.4 and I'd like to share with you a new feature called shelves. When working with others, it's quite useful to be able to share some files without actually committing them to the branch. It may be that you're working on something still not finished, or you simply want to give some work around to a colleague. That's where shelves come in. They're a mechanism to quickly share or back up your work. A shelf is basically a change list that gets stored on a server, allowing anybody to get it. This concept is not new and can be found in version control systems like Perforce. However, Arc wants to take it further. In this example, Nuno has a shelf with ID 61. You'll notice that some files are in a lighter shade and others in a darker one. The darker shade means that the local version of the file is already shelved in the server. The lighter shade means that the file is either not shelved or has differences to the current shelved version. As we shelve all the other files, notice how they became darker, informing us that all the local files match the latest shelved version in the server. Shelves can be used as a simple way of keeping history while you work, without having the logistical hassle of creating individual branches. You can open the shelf history and diff the files or even get a specific revision. But like I mentioned, a big part of the shelves is being able to work with others. So in this case, Natalia opens shelf 61 and unshelves it. Arc's version of shelves are meant to be more collaborative than in other version control systems, allowing her to add her contribution and create a new revision of the shelf. Nuno will get visual feedback that his shelf is out of date. When he gets latest, he'll receive the new version shelved by Natalia. Even though the shelf was originally created by Nuno, Natalia can also be the one committing it. In this case, before committing, she needs to get ownership of the logged files. When she asks for it, Nuno will receive a notification. Upon accepting it, Natalia will now be able to commit this shelf to the branch. After it is committed, Nuno will get visual feedback that he's no longer on the latest change list, and when he gets latest, it will understand that his shelf was committed and show that he no longer has any changes. This is the first version of shelves in Arc, and I hope you find them interesting. Arc's approach is not to be a copy of other version control systems, and I hope this embodies that well. To find out more about Arc, please go to arc-vcs.com. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.